Confused between Meta AI agents and Manus AI? Here's the simple difference beginners should understand. Start by understanding the main focus of each one. Meta AI agents are mainly designed to work inside Meta apps like Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, and WhatsApp. They help with chatting, content, ads, and social media tasks. Manus AI is different because it focuses more on autonomous workflows. Instead of only chatting, it can handle bigger tasks like research, planning, coding, websites, and automation with less human supervision. Next, compare how they work. Meta AI agents are more connected to Meta's ecosystem and social platforms, while Manus AI behaves more like a digital worker that can complete multi-step projects on its own. You should also compare simplicity. Meta AI agents are easier for casual users and creators already using Meta apps. Manus AI is usually better for advanced productivity, automation, and business workflows. Finally, both tools show how AI is moving from simple chatbots to AI systems that can actually perform tasks automatically. Now you know the simple difference between Meta AI agents and Manus AI and which one may fit your workflow better.